Hi, my name is Rich, and for quite a few years I've had problems with missing teeth and just not very nice looking teeth. I just figured this is just the way it's going to be. And, at my age, I just accept it the way it's going to be. So I never smiled with my teeth showing. I never laughed with my hand over my mouth is when I laughed. A lot of times I talk that way. And chewing food was one of the hardest things to ever do. And then I started reading up on this stuff called pop-on veneers. So I'm like, what the hell? Let's take a chance. So I took a leap of faith and I ordered it. The impression kits came in the mail about 2 days after I ordered it, and they were fairly easy. I mean, all the instructions they gave you to do with it, and to the gift they gave you a YouTube video to watch, and it was actually very simple. But still, I didn't think it was going to work because I got nothing to hold on to. So I sent them in, and about 3 days later, I got an email saying that, hey, they worked, your impressions are good to go, and we're making your veneers. And about 3 weeks later, I get this thing in the mail. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's here. And it came in this little case, along with my impressions. But it came in this little case, and this was them. And they were one of the simplest things to put on. Amazing. I love them. This is the way I look now, all the time. First time I wore them, they were extremely comfortable. So sometimes I don't even remember having them on. But yeah, thank you, Pop On. You changed my life.